Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the ESR Clear Case. It's compatible with the new iPhone 13 Pro because it's in case for it. A crystal clear, shockproof, thin silicone case. Gel-ring resistant, slim, transparent TPU phone case, Project Zero series, and it comes in a clear finish, and you can really see the branding of Apple through that clear case, and of course the awesome design of that iPhone 13 Pro. It looks nice and it protects all edges and the back side, and additionally it protects your camera system and of course your front panel a little bit. Its powerful gel-ring resistance, the premium TPU material keeps our case crystal clear for longer, preserving the original look of our phone and allowing us to show off its natural style. And it comes with a serious protection. The air guard corners absorb shocks and drops so that our phone doesn't have to raise screen and camera edges guard against scratches. And it comes with a perfect fit. And you can see it fits really perfect. Snugly to keep dust and dirt away from our phone and ensure it doesn't get scratched. Press cutouts gives us convenient access to ports and easy press buttons ensure the full functionality. And slim and lightweight, only 1.35mm thick, it feels just like our phone, but with added grip. Flexible material makes putting it on and taking it off a breeze. And it's wireless charging ready. Thin enough to allow convenient wireless charging, keeping our phone protected at all times. And it's not only compatible with iPhone 13 Pro, but you can see it will fits to the 13 model too. But there is a little bit not so much protection for your camera system on the 13 model, okay? That's Project Zero Clear Case, compatible with iPhone 13. Powerful, gel-ring resistant. It stays clear for longer to keep our phone looking pristine. And serious drop protection. The shock-absorbing air guard corners protect against damage. And we can enhance the screen and camera protection. The camera guard comes with 0.5mm extra dimensions, and the screen edges comes with 1.2mm extra support. It's slim and lightweight, and of course wireless charging ready. And this is a really good choice to protect your iPhone 13 Pro easily. It fits really easy. You only have to press it in position and all is protected. The front side, the side of the iPhone, and of course the entire back of your iPhone is protected. And you can see the finish, you can see the design, the colors through that ESR clear case easily. And of course you can reload your phone by using MagSafe and all the other QR devices or key devices out there. This is the awesome ESR Clear Case. It's compatible with iPhone 13 Pro. It's a crystal clear, shockproof, thin silicone case with gel-ring resistant. It's slim, it's transparent. It comes with a TPU phone case, Project Zero series, and it looks really awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.